I'm gonna be using my clip-ins. I feel like my hair grew.
Last relationship, look how good you treated him. You could birth like 4 of him. Girl, you never needed.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, what is up? How you doing? What you doing? If you don't know by now, my name is Ellie Marie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be using my clip-ins. If you haven't seen the video of my Black Friday haul, I talked about what I got and how I got them, blah blah blah. I'll link it up here or up here. I don't know which one. I think it's one of these for y'all to see, but I'm super excited because today I'm gonna be putting them to use. They come in this Better Length bag. I did get them from Better Length, and on the bag looks like this, and it says Better Length. I already took the clips out of the bag. I'm gonna insert some clips over this of what they look like when I took them out the bag, what they came with, and the color and everything like that. I did get them in 16 inches and the curl pattern 3B3C, kinky curly 16 inches. My hair is already freshly washed, deep conditioned and all that. But it says on the little information booklet, it says to not shampoo them, just to co-wash, but I shampooed them because I wanted to get all the whatever they do to them off. So I lightly shampooed it with one of my favorite shampoos, and then I went in with just a regular deep conditioner. I let that sit overnight, and then I took it out and I rinsed it off. So I went to go get them. I got them out the bathroom, and I just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like before I apply any product. So this is what they're looking like. They feel soft. In the shower, I shampoo, deep condition, and then once I rinsed my deep conditioner out, I applied the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. So this video is going to be a little bit of voiceover, a little bit of not. This is my first time. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to wing it, and hopefully it turns out good. They say curly clip-ins are really hard to mess up, so I don't know, but I'm excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video. So if you guys like what you see, if you want to see my end results, then make sure to keep on watching. So getting right into it, as I said in the previous clips, I already applied my leave-in conditioner in the shower. So right now I am just going to take out the back section of my hair to start off with. I didn't know how big to do my sections, but I just did them like this. So I went horizontal across in the back, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of cream styler, which is going to be the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. I'm going to apply that for moisture, and it's a good product to do twist outs with. And I am going to be doing a twist out if I haven't previously stated that. I'm going to be doing a twist out today. I think that'll help match my hair to the clip-ins. But right here, I'm just showing you guys the clip-ins. This is a 5 weft clip-in, I believe. Yes, 5. So it came with 2 5s, 3 4s, I think, 3 weft clips, and then 2 wefts. I can't remember. I don't know. But it came with about 7 to 8 clips, I think. No. I don't know, y'all. Y'all, this is a while ago. I don't know. But here I'm just measuring the clip to see which one will fit best on my hair. The longer or the more clips or wefts that it had, then the bigger it'll be. So I didn't want it to like not fit on my head. So for this one, I just went ahead and I found one that I knew worked, and I tried to do this method of me using a clip to like secure it so it wouldn't be in the way as I was trying to clip it down. It seemed smart, but it was kind of hard to do, but at the same time it wasn't. I don't know, but I tried to clip like the middle clip first and then go out, so like work my way outwards. It worked for that clip, so it was okay, but me trying to remove the clip after putting the clip-ins in was kind of hard because my hair and the clip-in hair was together, and it was a little bit of a mess, but it ended up working out in the end. So right here, I decided to take it out because the clips, they were like overlapping. So it was like extra hanging off, and I didn't want that. So I just decided to use the 2 weft clip for this section and just put it closer to the left side of my hair. And in my head, I was like, I'll apply another one. So I just started with this. Now, like I said, I'm just winging it, so this could be the wrong way to apply it, but I don't know. But yeah, I used another 2F clip and I put it over top. I was trying to put it over top of that clip, but since it's a clip-in, you couldn't like grasp my hair to the clip-in without it like coming apart or being loose or feeling loose in my hair. So I don't know. I just decided that it felt good to me, so I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna start the twisting process, and I'm doing a regular twist out. I'm just gonna apply my water, apply a little bit more of the cream, twist and shout cream, and then I'm going to detangle and apply more water, and then I'm just gonna twist my hair. If you see me doing any extra like detangling with my brush, it's just to make sure that my hair blends with the clip-in hair, because it's not the same texture, but I wanted it to blend really good. So I just was thoroughly detangling after I twisted about 3 sections down. Now right here is where I think I kind of messed up the installation process. I think I should have had hair at the bottom and put a clip in between, and then put my hair on top, just so that I would like cover the clip-ins, if that made sense. So when I took the twist out, I wouldn't have to do as much manipulation. So for next time, I will be doing that. That is some criticism or something I need to work on. So I need to do that next time. I feel like it would have been better, but yeah. Okay, so now I'm just showing you guys that the 4 weft clips was just too much for me. It wouldn't fit on my head at all, so I went ahead and just cut it in half. Now they do say not to cut it because that can mess up the hair or whatever, but I don't know, I just did that. But as you can see in the front too, I decided to clip this one because it was just hanging off, and I didn't want to take all the twist down and reinstall that piece. So yeah, I did that. Probably shouldn't have did that, but I don't know. Now this is the part where I realized that I didn't have any hair to cover my like parts and cover the clip-ins. So this is where I suggest for you to put the clip-ins in between your hair, and so you could disguise them and kind of like camouflage the clip-ins and the tracks. I think this is the time where I realized that I should have made my twists smaller so they can camouflage and blend in with my real hair, but I didn't realize that till I got to the top, so that was my mistake. So after twisting up my whole entire head, this is what my hair is looking like. And y'all, it took me a hot minute to get here. Like parting and trying to make sure that your hair is camouflaged and all that is a lot of work. I was feeling myself. My hair grew. It looked like my hair grew. It was looking good and juicy, but as you can see, you have tracks. I had tracks showing in the back, so I was a little discouraged after this. I was like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna cover those up? But I was like, I'll just figure it out. So y'all, this is my hair. Y'all, right now I'm not feeling it. I'm not really not feeling it. I feel like it's not gonna come out good, and I know I have a track showing in the back. I have a couple of tracks showing, but hopefully when I take it out, it don't do that. And to be honest, while I'm doing this, since it's a looser curl pattern, I should have got the 14-inch, because this one is like, you can tell that my hair stops. Like it's not. Like this one looks good because it's kind of skinny. I should have did them skinnier, but I did. But I'm gonna let it dry. I'm not a quitter, and if anything happens tomorrow or it don't look good, I just redo my hair today, do my hair tomorrow and do a wash and go. But yeah, y'all, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'm really scared, and this is for Christmas, so hopefully it look okay. I'm probably gonna end up taking it out, but it's okay. So I'm gonna let it dry for like a day, and then I'll take it out. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, I didn't even use all the hair. So I have a 2 clip. Well, I cut this one. This is the 2 clip I have. I have a 4 clip. I feel like the clips were like too much. My head is small, but it's round, if that makes sense. I have a 5 clip. I feel like you only need one of these to go around like the middle of your head. I have a 5 clip though. And then this 1 clip that I have. Wait, no, I think I cut this one. Yeah, I cut this one. So this is another when I got cut. So really I have a 5 clip and a 3 clip. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna see how this turn out. I'm really scared. I feel like my hair grew. Okay, I'm gone. Bye. So I know you're probably wondering, where's the extensions? What happened to the clip-ins, Ella Marie? What's going on? Or what happened? so let me just give y'all some back. It is now maybe 2 weeks later, maybe a week and a half, somewhere around there. But as you can see, no clip-ins. And that is because, first off, I don't have any pictures or anything to show y'all, but I wanted to tell y'all that the clip-ins, I think they could have worked if I had made the twist smaller, but because I didn't make them small enough, my hair was coming out of it. And yeah, so I took them out literally like the next, not even the next day, like that night to like a couple hours later, because as my hair was drying, my hair was sticking out, especially at the ends, because I just had too much hair in those twists. And then the hair did match my hair. So now I kind of regret not getting the right, I like kind of regret not getting a tighter curl pattern. I don't know what, well, I do know what encouraged me to get that, but I didn't get that. I didn't get the right one. So that was my part, my fault. So maybe I'll get some in the near future. But I do still plan to use them. Just don't know if I'm gonna incorporate them into my hair. I plan to braid my hair down and use them like that. Have a little style. I think that'll be cute. But they did not work out. And not to mention, I wouldn't have worn them long because about 3 days later, I got sick, unfortunately. So yeah, that's how we got here. 2 weeks later, I just freshly did my hair, and I'll have a video up on that. If you guys want to see it, I'll leave it up here in the cards, or up here in the cards, one of them. I'll leave them up there. But yeah, y'all, I know I look a little different than y'all thought, but I mean, I still think my installation process was good. I think it was fine. It's just I just needed to twist smaller, or make smaller twists, so my hair could actually look like it was the same hair as the clip-ins, you know. But yeah, it didn't work out like I wanted it to, but I am going to be trying it again. So if you guys found this video helpful as far as like installation and things like that, please let me know. I did want to show y'all that it was a fail, but that just shows y'all that my hair is not always good. I know I don't get comments like a lot, but when I do get comments, most of the time they're saying, well, your hair looks good, it's gonna turn out good all the time. No rarely does it happen. So yeah, no. But yeah, y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you have any tips for me to help me with my next process of installing the clip-ins, then please let me know down below. If you didn't enjoy the video, I'm so sorry you didn't, and I'm so sorry you're disappointed because of the outcome, but I will be reviewing the clip-ins again, so look out for that. Make sure you're subscribed down below and your post notification is on so you don't miss another video of mine, especially when I use the clip-ins again. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Love you. I like me better when I was yours. I'm going back.